let's learn a little bit about Sir Isaac Newton. Newton is known for explaining the law of gravity. He believed all physical objects were affected equally by the same forces. And according to his law of universal gravitation, every object in the universe attracts every other object. This degree of attraction depends on the object's mass and distance between them. So, for thousands of years, people asked two very puzzling questions. Why do objects fall towards Earth? And what keeps the planets moving in the sky? The two questions were treated separately until 1665, when a British scientist named Sir Isaac Newton realized that they were two parts of the same question. The legend is that Newton made the connection between the two questions when he watched an apple falling from a tree. Some people even say it hit him on his head, but who knows? He knew that unbalanced forces are needed to change the motion of objects. He concluded that an unbalanced force on the apple made the apple fall. And he reasoned that an unbalanced force on the moon kept the moon moving circularly around the Earth. He proposed that these two forces are actually the same force, the force of attraction called gravity. Newton summarized his ideas about gravity in a law known as the law of universal gravitation. This law describes the relationships between gravitational force, mass, and distance. The law is called universal because it applies to all objects in the universe. The law is stated as this: all objects in the universe attract each other through gravitational force. The size of the force depends on the masses of the objects and the distance between the objects. Okay, make sure you study for that test next week.